Nom, nom, nom. Hey, I didn't see you there. So I'm the owner of AminoCraft, a small community with small players. We got great staff, we got projects plugins, we can protect your house so you don't get griefed. But it's not everywhere you can build though. Hey you! Let me get a better view of this. Hey you can build out there. Why don't you just... Yeah, that's right. Get away. I love this job. Oh yeah, right. Let's get... So, we don't always ban them. We also jails them. And I want you to take a look at our jails, shall we? So let's get it on. Okay, so here we got a member in the jail. He didn't do much damage, so I will let him out. He will go up and grieve some anyway. But that's not all we got. We also got a mob arena, as you see here. So this is where people join together or alone to play against mobs. It's a pretty fun game and it's quite easy. We got some stuff you can hide in there and so on. So we're just gonna see him die now. Oh, there we go. So let's talk about something else before we go off. Okay, so I hope you like it so far, and we will add plugins more. We got some fun stuff. We got economy. We got Tony. We got jobs. We got a lot of stuff. It's pretty fun. I think you should join. All our staff. We need some more people to join. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Hello guys. So what I'm trying to say is we need players. We got a good community, good staff, major staff, and they know what they're doing. Hopefully, and if anyone abuses, I will punish them. And I hope I see you on the server. And the IP is shown on the screen, and I really hope I see you. We need a big community. Server is 24/7, and we like to have fun. Also, sometimes I can be a little bit serious, but I always answer your questions. I always help you if you need help, and also does the other players. It's really nice, but we need more players, active players, not only one-time players. And I just hope you'll join and check it out for once if you like it, and that's basically everything. So yeah, see you later guys, and I hope you join. AminoCraft forever.